how much should you actually spend on a tower fan for a large room? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you which ones actually deliver strong airflow across big spaces.
Product number 1, Levoit 36-inch Smart Tower Fan. The Levoit Tower Fan stands out with its sleek white design and smart temperature sensor, something you don't see in most fans at this $55 price point. If you want a fan that adjusts itself based on how hot your room gets, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Large rooms often have uneven cooling, but the 90 degrees oscillation combined with 25 feet per second wind speed and 1044 CFM airflow means it pushes air far enough to reach corners. The built-in sensor automatically increases or decreases power as the room warms or cools, so you're never too hot or too cold. Plus, at just 28 decibels, it's quiet enough for light sleepers. Over 30,000 sold last month shows real demand. Now, some people complained about the remote feeling flimsy and buttons not always responding. Here's the thing though, you'll mostly use the touch panel anyway, and for under $60, you're getting smart features most competitors charge double for. This is perfect for you if you want automatic comfort without paying premium prices. Skip this one if you need ultra-strong airflow for open concept spaces. Great value for basic smart cooling.
Product number 2, Drio 2026 High Velocity Fan. Drio's 2026 upgraded model isn't just another tall fan. It's built like a performance machine. Priced at $80, it uses a brushless DC motor to hit 28 feet per second wind speed and projects air up to 34 feet. If you want serious airflow that cuts through heat in big living rooms or open kitchens, this one delivers. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Traditional fans lose power over distance, but Drio's Turbo Wind Tech and Coanda effect design keep the airflow focused and strong, even across 30+ feet. That means your back corner of the room still gets cooled. The 20 decibel noise level is quieter than a whisper, ideal for night use. And with 8 speeds and 4 modes, you can go from gentle breeze to full blast. It's also easy to clean, which matters when dust builds up fast in large spaces. Now, some people complained it's heavier than expected and harder to move around. Here's the thing though, that weight adds stability, so it won't tip over in busy households. If portability is your top concern, maybe look elsewhere. This is perfect for you if you need powerful, long-range cooling without the roar. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only need light airflow. Worth the extra cash for performance.
Product number 3, Amazon Basics 28-inch mechanical fan. Don't let the $36 price tag fool you. This Amazon Basics fan is a no-frills workhorse. With simple mechanical controls and a compact 28-inch frame, it's the budget pick that still covers decent space. If you want reliable airflow without apps or remotes, this one gets the job done. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Large rooms need consistent circulation, and this fan's 60-degree oscillation and 3 speed settings provide steady coverage without overcomplicating things. It draws only 35 watts, so it's energy efficient, and the top-mounted dials make adjustments easy, even half asleep at 2 a.m. Over 10,000 sold last month proves it's a trusted basic option. Now, some people complained it lacks remote control and feels less stable on carpet. Here's the thing though, for under $40, you're getting solid build quality and real airflow. Just place it on a flat surface and you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you want affordability and simplicity. Skip this one if you need smart features or whisper quiet operation. Best value under $40.
Product number 4, Drio Adjustable Height Air Circulator. This Drio isn't just a tower fan. It's a 38 to 42-inch adjustable air circulator that moves air up to 90 feet. At $70, it's built for whole room cooling, not just personal breeze. If your large room has high ceilings or open layouts, this one's designed to handle it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Most fans just blow air. They don't circulate it. This one pushes 1,000 CFM and refreshes entire rooms in under 2 minutes. The 105-degree vertical tilt and 90-degree horizontal swing mean you can aim airflow exactly where needed, down low for pets or up high to mix warm ceiling air. Plus, the DC motor keeps noise at 20 decibels, and the detachable parts make cleaning easy. Now, some people complain the base is a bit narrow for such a tall unit. Here's the thing though, it's still stable on flat floors, and the height adjustment is a game changer for multi-use rooms. This is perfect for you if you need full room air movement, not just spot cooling. Skip this one if you only need a bedside fan. Excellent for open plan homes.
Product number 5, Drio Compact Whisper Tower. Rounding out the list is this compact Drio at $70. Smaller footprint, but still packs a punch with 26 feet per second velocity and 33 feet reach. If you want quiet, space-saving power from medium to large rooms, this balances size and performance well. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses hyper-silent tech to run at 28 decibels, quieter than most library whispers, so it won't disrupt sleep or calls. The 90-degree oscillation covers wide areas, and with 4 speeds and 3 modes, it adapts from gentle nighttime breeze to midday refresh. Despite its slim profile, it doesn't wobble, and the remote adds convenience. Now, some people complain it lacks the raw power of Drio's bigger models. Here's the thing though, for bedrooms or offices under 300 square feet, it's more than enough. Don't expect warehouse-level airflow, but for daily comfort, spot on. This is perfect for you if you want quiet, stylish cooling without bulk. Skip this one if you're cooling a huge open space. Great middle ground option.
So, which one wins? For smart features on a budget, Levoit. For max power, Drio's 2026 model. Need ultra-quiet circulation? The adjustable Drio air circulator. Want bare bones affordability? Amazon Basics. And for compact, quiet power, the smaller Drio tower. Each solves a different piece of the large room puzzle.